Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. We're going to put this at the beginning of the video, so you're already going to hear me say this a second time with Carolina Rock Cuddles, blah, 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 blah. You know how it is. Anyways, guys, I've been thinking really hard and really strong. And what are we going to do to the rancher, you might ask? Viewer choice, guys. Y'all choose everything. The tile setup, what we do next, everything. I just thought that would be so cool. Let y'all decide, and then I don't have to worry about it. So, I mean, there's a couple things we can do to this thing. Those tiles, those racks, I'm pretty sure those floorboards, we can stretch it, we can IRS swap it. I mean, there's so many things we can do to this, and it's really up to y'all. Of course, don't look at the snorkel, because we're gonna put a snorkel, because everybody's gonna be like, what about snorkel? Yeah, we're gonna put a snorkel. You don't have to worry about that. And maybe a rad relocator, most likely. I mean, we probably do a lift, arch, A-arms if y'all want. I mean, there's so many things that we can do to this thing. I know we're gonna have to replace the plastics because they're not that good. Anyways, in the comments, guys, tell me, what should we do for it? I'm thinking, of course, tiles most likely, but we're going to be posting on the post section. You'll see I put vote stuff all the time, and that helps a lot. I mean, comments will probably be worth more points, though, because that would just make it more fair for people who actually comment. What do y'all think? Should we do it? We could do a rack for us, maybe some floorboards. I mean, most likely tiles, but what tiles should we go with? Aztecs, Aztecs XX, Assassinators, Outlaws. I mean, we could go Zillas. We go old school with silverbacks. Y'all let me know, what tiles should we go with, guys? Because it definitely needs some tiles. It needs them now. So let me know, and back to the regular scheduled program. Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Crap, something just bit me. Are y'all ready to see this rancher? It's time to get it ready, people. We've already started tearing it down. Let's go ahead and get this fuel pump off, and hopefully this fixes it, guys. I don't care how many of these I do, they're always full of dirt. And this one has not been muddied, guys. So, I swear. Now, problem is this piece right here connects to all of it. Okay, we got the old one off, and as always, they never stop leaking fuel. I don't care what you do. This petcock is definitely off, and it's still leaking fuel. So, we have a hole. I don't know if you can see it. See a stamp up there? There's a hole up there. So we're going to cut this shorter. I think we have some extra room. And then we can put these together, and hopefully this fixes our issue. We'll find out in a second. Let me go ahead and cut these lines, shorten them up, and hopefully they'll ride. If not, I'm going to have to get some more hose, which I don't think I have any. But we'll get it, guys. Okay, moment of truth. We got it crudely in there. It's just kind of sitting there. Will it start? Not good. Ah, there we go. I think that's it, guys. Look, guys, she runs. I've been letting her run for about 10-15 minutes. Got the air filter on. She ready to go, people. So sadly, we haven't got the snorkel stuff in. Plus, it's 110 degrees, so we're probably not going to do the snorkel this weekend. But that don't mean we can't go beat the tar out of this thing. We're going to have fun, guys. So I will catch y'all probably tomorrow. And we're going to take this thing, and we got some mud and some places I think we can take it without actually taking it, you know, super deep, because honestly, I don't think that's going to work without a snorkel. But honestly, I have to look at how deep it actually is. I think it's about waist deep. So we might be able to go through some holes. Anyways, I will catch y'all tomorrow, because the rancher runs and it's ready to play, people. I'll see you then. Okay, guys, y'all ready? We got the rancher home, and she's been sitting for 2 days and she's still running. So we're going to slap on the GoPro, and we're going to go probably do a top speed run, play around with it. Definitely going to go in a little bit of mud, but as you can see, no snorkel means no deep. We ain't trying to sink it today and have to rebuild it as soon as we just got it. Anyways, guys, let me slap on the GoPro. Okay, let's go, guys. I will say, this thing does not ride very well, but it's a Honda. I don't know many Hondas that ride really well. Even my Rubicon, it rode good, but I can't say it rode great. Okay. I mean, that should be a good enough rundown. Let's see what we got. We got about 46 before I decided I had enough. It might have gone faster if I just kept holding it, but let me be honest, I'm not gonna hold it until it blows up. Okay, we do not need the phone. Good phone. We're gonna end up breaking it. Okay, 4 drives on, put in gear, let's hope 4 drive works. We're probably gonna break that one axle. Oh no! There's... I should have known. We definitely found out the hard way that the Sportsman has destroyed all of this. But I guess that's what 32 Sassies will do. This. Come on. That way. Woo! It's really trying to pull to one side for some reason, but I guess that's a Honda for you. I don't know. We also have an axle that might not be walking like it's supposed to. You know what this thing really needs? Tiles. It needs tiles and a snorkel. Because remember, what is Honda good at? Floating. But it's kind of hard to float when you don't exactly have a snorkel. Because we aren't going to go in there and sink our new toy. Go first and second and fly through there, we might make it. Or we'll fly off the front of it and do a front flip, and that would hurt. And my wife is, nobody's around my house, so we will probably die today. We only did for us. There you go. I forgot how to drive a Honda. You just have to full send it and hope for the best. That is the Honda way, guys. If you drive a Honda, especially with a solid axle, the only way you can really drive it is just the floor and hope you get past the washout. You just gotta send it. Come on. Loop, come on. Don't break your axle. Oh, that was cold. Woohoo! Okay, same thing as last time. Full send, second gear this way, do a loop, come back, go back up. Turn, the axle is not heavy. I mean, guys, this thing is rocking and rolling. What's she out on the waddle? I really don't know. But she is sending it today, guys. I mean, I don't know. Oh, crap, the cow flies. Cow flies eating me. Anyways, I don't know how much more we can really do to it because as you can tell, the ground clearance is almost zero. Look at that ground clearance. What ground clearance? No ground clearance. There is no ground clearance. We have none. As of ground clearance, we have zero. So honestly, we got to get some tiles. We also need a snorkel. We can snorkel. We can at least float through stuff. Anyways, I guess we'll go down here and see how bad this mud is down here. I don't think we'll go through it because the other day it literally about sunk the Outlander, and the Outlander is literally sitting. I mean, I'll show you all when we get. It's like twice as tall as this thing. Anyways, let's keep riding. The four-wheel drive does not, oh my gosh. The four-wheel drive's acting like it doesn't want to unlock. Am I missing something? Okay, it's not locked. But why does it feel so stiff? Maybe the axle?
You serious?
Oh, shit! That's not good. We did not want to flip it, guys. I mean, I hope the front diff ain't going out. I mean, they're not terribly expensive, but Lord Jesus, I don't want to buy one right as soon as we get this thing. Four drives on. Yeah, four drive's not coming on. Look at that. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but the four drive has shit out already. Because if we buy something, it's going to die the first time we take it out. But hey, it's still running, at least that's good. I mean, if anybody has any ideas what could be going on with the four-wheel drive, I mean, last I checked, it's mechanical, so I'll have to look. Maybe the cable's loose. I mean, the light's coming on, but it's just not working. Well, guys, what do you think? I think the Rancher did pretty good. The four-wheel drive messed up. It went from not wanting to lock out to then deciding it was locked. No, it didn't want to lock. It didn't want to come out of four-wheel drive. Then it didn't want to come back in. So I don't think it's anything major, but we don't know. I mean, again, the front diff isn't very expensive. I thought something dripping. I was like, oh, the diff. No, I can't find a crack in the diff, so I don't think it's the diff. I mean, honestly, we won't know until we go in there. But the front shaft is spinning, so it ain't in the motor, which is good. We don't want the motor to be messed up. But we'll get that fixed pretty quick. It's probably the lever, something to do with lever, I'm sure. I'm sure something in there was messed up. But it's not the end of the world. So y'all tell me, what should we do first? I'm thinking tiles and snorkel because definitely needs tiles. What tiles should we put, guys? I mean, we can also just go ahead and get a rack. You know, there's a lot of special ones. I mean, a lot of the parts for these OBSs are still not around, like they're kind of gone, but we can still do stretches, IRS, swap. I mean, the whole world is our oyster. We can do anything, but we can't do anything unless y'all tell me. So let me know. What should we do next after we get, you know, we got a wheel band to put in and we also have the four-wheel drive to fix. And as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Well, I don't know what we're going to have out. I would say this, but honestly, it'll be a while before we start ordering tires because we got to find the tires and get the best prices and blah, 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 blah. Y'all know how it is. Anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one.